Today we are going to learn about the benefits of breastfeeding. It is said that breast milk is the best gift to neonate. Why? Because it has got a lot of benefit. Not only it has benefit for the child, it also has benefit for mother. So talking about benefits to child, breast milk contains nutrients which are required for the growth and development of neonates. Nutrients are present in required amount in digestible and absorbable form. Carbohydrates are present in higher quantity than animal milk. So mainly lactose is present. Lactose is responsible for formation of lactobacillus, that is the good intestine in the gut, and also for the absorption of calcium from gut. Protein. The content of protein is less than animal milk. However, the amino acids like taurine and cysteine, which is not present in animal milk, is present in human milk, and it is responsible for neurotransmission and neuromodulation. Fats. Human milk contains polyunsaturated fatty acids which are required for myelination of our nervous system. Vitamin and minerals. Breast milk contains sufficient amount of vitamins and minerals which are enough for first 6 months of life. Water and electrolytes. Breast milk contains 88% of water, due to which there is no need of feeding baby with additional water during first few months of life. And breast milk osmolality is so low that it presents low solute load to kidney, due to which kidney don't have to work much for filtration. And immunity. Breast milk provides immunological superiority to the neonates because it contains immunoglobulin A, macrophage, lymphocytes, and other factors that gives immunity to the neonates to fight against infection, due to which the benefit are as follows: that there are reduced incidences of infection like otitis media in neonates, decrease allergy chances in later life, and also decrease chances of lymphoma, diabetes mellitus, heart disease in later life. Babies who have been breastfed have more IQ than those who have not been breastfed. So similarly, there are some benefits to mother also. After delivery, the uterus needs to shrink in size, which is assisted by the breastfeeding. Breastfeeding soon after birth of the neonate baby leads to involution of the uterus that reduces chances of postpartum hemorrhage. Similarly, breastfeeding also decreases chances of breast and ovary cancer. So these are some of the benefits that breastfeeding has for both child and mother. Thank you all for watching this video. See you guys again in my next video.